The first document is the airway bill. As you can see, this is a scanned document and it has some handwritten text as well. Now, the reason we need to extract this text, I mean, I can probably pass this document directly to LLMs as well, but what we have seen is that even the major models, LLMs, are not able to accurately extract the data when documents come in some difficult formats. For instance, we have a scanned document over here with handwritten text. So most of the time, we don't see an accurate extraction, which is why this intermediary layer becomes very important. So now I've basically deployed LLM-Whisperer as an API on Postman, and I'll take you through how this particular document has been extracted. So if you just have to take a look at this document, we have the shipper details on the top left-hand side corner. Below that, we have the consignee details. Over here, you can see some text. And below that, you have a table as well with the gross weight, the chargeable weight, the total, and all of that. So take a look at this, and we'll see how the text extraction can be done using LLM-Whisperer. So you can see over here that I've set up LLM-Whisperer as an API. So first, we'll have to perform the post call where I upload this particular document. And I can also check the status of this document. Now, I've already run these calls for the want of time in this webinar. But what you see over here is basically how the data gets extracted. So as you can see, the layout is preserved. We have the shipper name and address over here. We have the consignee details below that. And as you had seen, we had some text which was on the right-hand side to the consignee details. And below that is also the table that is extracted while preserving the layout. So you can see how the different values which were handwritten are also extracted. And this is basically the context that will be sent to any LLM of your choice for data extraction. I'll go back and we'll take a look at a couple of different documents. I just wanted to give you an overall understanding of different formats. So over here, we have a digitally native document. It is a bill of lading. And you also have some radio buttons over here, which are filled in. And so we again have the shipper and consignee details, some booking number, bill of lading number. And we also have a table down here along with some radio buttons. So let's see how LLM-Whisperer was able to extract the text from this particular document. All right. So here is the extracted text. And as you can see, we have extracted it, preserving the layout. We have the booking numbers, the bill of lading over here on the right, the shipper details followed by the consignee details. And over here, you can see that we've also extracted the text from the radio button. So whichever value was checked, you can see that it has been extracted with an X in it. And this is the format in which the LLM will be able to read which of the values have been checked in forms and different documents. So I have a third document that I wanted to take you through as well, which is a packing list. And as you can see, we have a skewed scan. It's not oriented properly. And let me take you back to LLM-Whisperer. So we've uploaded the document over here, and this is the retrieved or the extracted text. So you can see that the orientation is fixed over here while preserving the layout. So this is basically how LLM-Whisperer works on Postman as an API deployment. Now, I also spoke to you about the LLM-Whisperer Playground, where you can upload 100 pages of your particular business documents for free and access the end-to-end capabilities. So this is how I'll be uploading my document. So I can click on upload and I can just choose a document for me to upload. So in this case, I'm uploading a nested table just to show you how LLM-Whisperer works on tables as well. So we'll just wait for a couple of seconds. So this is the cloud version of LLM-Whisperer that you're seeing. And as you had seen before, the Playground also comes with its own library of documents that we've already pre-uploaded. And you can also extract basically the rows and columns of tables that you extract with LLM-Whisperer. So you'll see that with this pre-uploaded document, we have also extracted the vertical and horizontal lines, which basically gives the LLM better context in terms of understanding what the document is looking to say. So this is also something that can be done. And as you can see over here, we have the extracted text from the document that I had uploaded earlier. And you can see that in this particular document, we have a nested table. So we have two different tables in one particular cell of a parent table. And you can see that the layouts have been preserved perfectly well over here, right from the indentation and everything. So that basically covers how you can create a single processing layer for extracting text from any document format.